Now let's go ahead and add the screen where we ask the user to select the program and the benefit. So we're gonna need the list of programs that we're gonna make visible first and available in that data table. So we're gonna perform a get programs, and then we're gonna display this list of programs. Because it's only one element, then maybe we don't necessarily need a subflow, so we're going to build the that get element here right away. We need to get the programs, so we're going to search for program, and maybe not add any conditions, but let's go with the status equals active for now. We're going to need all the programs, and the only piece of information we need is the list of names. Now let's add a screen where we display this program. Select program and benefit screen, or maybe let's just make it shorter, program and benefit screen. Let's hide the header and let's hide pause. Let's keep everything else. And we're going to add a data table here where we display the list of programs. Data table, select program, keeping the consistency with name, and then here select program. And what are we displaying here? We are displaying the programs from get programs. Would like them to be able to search, allow them to select only one record, and let's configure the columns to display only the name of the program, and that's pretty much it for the programs. Now let's save this. Let's just debug to make sure that the programs are showing up just fine. So that's the household. Let's select this, select this. We've got the programs working just fine.